Okay, so today we're going to be investigating slope and the y-intercept. And we've done this plenty of times. We're just basically reviewing by now. So it gives you a graph with the equation y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 4. So your slope, which is labeled as m, is negative 2/3, and your y-intercept, which is labeled as b, is 4. And I just looked at the equation. So now, if it doesn't give you an equation, but instead gives you 2 points like these, you can find the difference between them. Personally, I like to see them set up as a table. So then 6 minus 4 be 2. And then negative 3 minus 0 is negative 3. So that's how you got negative 2/3. So then your y-intercept is where the x is 0. So when x is 0, y is 4, hence the reason why it's 4. If I would use a graph to find the slope, I would use rise over run. So you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Since it's to the left, that's negative. So that's negative 2/3. If I would use a graph to find the y-intercept, I would look at the y-axis, follow it down until you hit the line, and that point right there would be your y-intercept. So it's 4. So that's 3 different ways to find the slope and the y-intercept. You can use an equation, you can use points, or a table, or even a graph. So it's basically like 4 different ways. Okay, so it's basically what we just did. So m is slope, b is y-intercept. Example 1, a phone salesperson is paid a minimum weekly salary and a commission for each phone sold, as shown in the table. Confirm the relationship is linear and give the constant rate of change the initial value. Constant rate of change is slope, and the initial value is the y-intercept. So we have this table. So this is your x, this is your y. Find the changes between them. Change between here is 150. Change here is 10. So 150 goes on top, 10 on the bottom, equals 15. Change between here is 10, 150, so it's same. 150, and that's 10, so it's same. So now I know this is a constant rate of change, and the constant is 15, or in other words, the slope is 15. So you use y is equal to 15x plus your initial value, which is your y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, you have to figure out where x is 0. I know where x is 10, so that means if I take 10 away from x and make this 0, I need to figure out where y is. Well, I know for every 10 I add 150. So if I take away 10, I'll take away 150 and make this 330. So my y value, my initial value, is 330. And that would be my equation. That's all you have to do. Okay, so now on your turn, find the slope. So change of x is 2, change of y is 10. So it'd be 10 over 2, which equals 5. So now find the y-intercept. Well, I know that the constant rate is 5, so if I go down 2 to 0, I have to go down 10 from here to make that 12. So my y-intercept would be 12. Okay, number 2. So that changes 1, that change is 7. So it'd be 7 over 1 equals 7. So that's my slope. My y-intercept is, I know if I go down 1 to 0, I have to go down 7 here and make that 1. So my y-intercept would be 1. Okay, guys, that's it. That's just a quick recap of y-intercept and slope. Thank you.